most of these streamers.
What were you looking up on Amazon?
Alright, we're live. What are you talking about?
What is this? Global actions. Oh, what the? How are you looking at, bro? You were looking at some sus shit. BRB free.
Keep roasting that. Keep roasting.
Best books for the gulag. I never watched one of your videos until now.
Hey man.
Kid, you ready?
Are you?
You ready for some gay shit?
Kid, we're live.
Oh, you better cancel that.
Kid, it's live. How?
That is crazy.
Kid, no one's watching.
How could you do that?
Kid, I told you I was gonna start, so I don't know why you're
This guy needs to cancel this. Goodness, what this man did somebody. Ended my whole career.
So, is it still code cleanup for the Dart?
Yeah, but besides code cleanup, I still got I had an issue with the test that I was gonna try and show you. Like there was some issue that I didn't know. But let me look it up. We haven't done it in a second, so let me just see where we're at.
Wait, so what are you doing right now?
I'm looking at what was left. Okay, so I'm gonna try these tests. You ready?
You're gonna try. You want to share your screen or not? Because I can't see anything.
Oh, I don't want to share my screen. I don't want to show you anything. I don't like to show you shit. That's free.
Kid, you want to know how famous I am, bro?
14 views.
You want to know how famous I am, bro?
How famous?
It says I have 2 viewers right now, and I don't know who.
You serious? It's not me. It's probably my brother.
Let's try to see if we can get him talking. Hello.
It's my brother.
Your brother?
Yeah, let me catch you guys.
Alright, so just to give a kind of quick update of what's going on, we are currently working on the status bar here for showing whether we're connected to a
Who is it?
status. I don't know. I didn't get a reply. Whether we're connected to a valid mural or not, and then updating this top header. So right now we're in the what are we in the cleanup phase of the code?
Are you talking to the viewer?
No, I'm talking to you, bro.
You talking to me, bro? I wasn't even in the room.
No, I was talking to the street, and then I started talking to you, asking for where we're at, like if it's in the cleanup phase.
Batik is gonna change my life. Alright, kid, you see viewing?
What's up?
Alright, so. Okay. Let's see it. Where are the tests? Why aren't they passing? Like, why aren't the tests showing up?
What do you mean?
Hmm?
Why aren't the tests showing up?
Like,
Maybe because
how
you're
do
not
I
on
know
the
if the
test
driver
file.
tests are passing?
Huh?
Oh, I'm not even running them correctly.
You're special. Man.
You're the specialist of all special.
Is there something wrong with being special, Andy?
Huh?
Is there something wrong with being special?
It's beautiful.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I love it. You ready for this, bro?
Yeah, so which test is it that's failing?
Hair down all.
No, that's not the test that's failing. If you go up, you're going to be able to read what exception it did. You're going to be able to deduce what that. So it said expected null got not connected. So one of your expectations is incorrect.
One of my expectations is null.
Yeah. So can you see if you go on if you go on let me just put my brightness up a bit. So if you go on, you see expected null not connected, blah blah blah. Somewhere there, it should tell you which test failed.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. It says it failed down here in tear down all. Or
that just executes after everything is done. So
oh, my thing froze.
it says it right here. Expect not connected.
My fault.
It says expect not connected text 1 feed test 61 feed test. Do you see it right here? Line 61.
Yeah. Yep.
Line 61.
That's right
here. Yeah.
I was expecting null. That's false.
Well, first of all, you have two different expectations. You have Wi-Fi status here, and then you're expecting info text.
Oh, I don't think there is a. What a clown! What a clown! I'm gonna go grab my what's it called?
Okay, you should go grab your
my clown.
What you say?
My makeup. I'm gonna go grab my clown makeup. Oh, info text. What info text was that? Oh no. It would. I wouldn't be looking for an info text spot.
What would you be looking for?
These are both wrong. Patrick. Happy? Now, this is where I shine.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no.
There we go. Alright,
now it
clear.
Can't find it. No, it's gonna fail.
Oh.
It can't find whatever it is that you're looking for.
It won't find whatever it is that you're looking for.
It can't find it. That's why it's gonna time out after 30 seconds. But it's been
So why not? Which part of the test is failing? Let's see. Not connected past and connected past. So one of the messages.
Okay, so it failed now. Now try to see what it is that filed.
What? In tarnation. So not connected failed, right?
What does the yeah, that's the one that do the exception.
Yeah. So let's see my tests. I'm expecting the status none, right? Well, okay.
You're not expecting it. You're requesting none.
Okay. I'm requesting none,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm awaiting this test, number 1. So what am I looking for when it's none? None should be invalid. Get text by Wi-Fi status invalid, and then expect this text, right?
Yeah. What's Wi-Fi status?
Huh?
What's in the text Wi-Fi status?
Not connected.
Mm-hmm.
So when there's none, when it's none, it's supposed to say not connected, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I'm testing. And then I'm expecting an icon, the X icon. So this is the.
Let's see what the do you understand what the error is yet?
Huh?
Do you understand what the error is?
Failed to fill get text due to remote error.
Mm-hmm. So, it should say somewhere which line it failed on.
Should I scroll down?
Yeah. Scroll down. Wait. Scroll up. Put a couple of logger statements after each line so that we know where. Oh, I wonder if there's debugger in there. But yeah, put a couple of print statements. Just say after request, and then yeah, just copy that and then put after not connected, after expecting X.
Okay. After request.
You could just start it now because I'm pretty sure that it's failing on the first one because the first one had passed and I think that the second one passed. But let's see.
Some logger statements.
So after request mobile.
Yes,
So
and mobile, but it didn't get to this.
So it got
It got up to here.
Expect not connected text 1. It got expect X icon. So that's where it's the expect not connected text. So go in there, expect not connected text.
Right here.
So it's not Wi-Fi status unknown.
It's not Wi-Fi.
It's the same status for both. Because
oh yeah. Wait. Wi-Fi status invalid? It's supposed to be invalid again? Let me think about this. So when it's mobile or none, it should be invalid. I'm gonna go grab makeup, the clown makeup. I'm gonna go.
So you could use the
grab.
same expect not connected text instead of having not connected whatever it is that you have there.
Well, there goes my career. You proud of me, kid? You proud of me? Oh, these goofy mistakes, little done in me. This is you pretending to have image.
Kid, could you separate the two?
Sure.
And then I don't know if we're gonna need to clean this up because I'm sure that function is somewhere
Yeah, that's
else.
what's next. That's what's next if the tests are working. Like you said. Oh well, I have one other task before I can get to cleaning up. Remember? Well, it's kind of cleaning up. I'll show you. You remember this, right? Don't even laugh. I know what you're thinking. Don't even laugh. Not fun, eh? All tests passed. Okay. So my tests are good, right? I mean, they're not the cleanest things ever. There's repetition. But I think we're good for now, right? For testing at least. So yeah, this is my next thing. This is what I needed help with. My question was, how can I get this in this file without it giving errors, and I'm able to pass it in? Just know that you don't have to force on kids.
What did I do?
Just the face.
So
So my goal is to get this, which is part of a widget, which is already part of it. Yeah, this is the regular tests. These are the regular tests. So it's already part of a test. So a lot of this stuff, like tester, I need to grab from here, from this test, or whatever. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff that when I'm trying to move it, it doesn't. I'm not sure how to do it.
I think your thing is frozen. Okay. Yeah, it froze for a bit.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, you said that you're trying to consolidate.
Yeah, but I was getting a lot of issues.
Yeah. So the The only thing that we need out of this is the string. Yeah, this string. Because
well, if you could have just told me that, we wouldn't be here right now. Because I'm trying to move the whole test. Yeah, I can do that. But yeah, continue. Why you said we'll move the string?
Right. So, before we proceed, is this push to?
I haven't committed the working test, which I should do now.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to leave this file like this. Should I delete this file?
No, you just don't commit it.
Oh, okay, perfect. But I need to commit everything else because now it's time for cleanup.
Yeah.
The test work.
So commit everything else, but that file.
Okay, so let's see. Here's where I added the extra HTTP client thing. Do you want that space? Yeah, you want that space. Yep. So this is good, right? Nothing else.
Okay.
That's good. Now, this one I did the same thing, and there's nothing else. I added that because we had to when we put in the, I believe, test bed. or whatever, you know. Now this is the BS, which I'm not gonna add. Now here is the whole file for the tests I made, which worked. They just need cleanup.
Yeah.
Alright?
So wait. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, this note, and then in feed.dart, I made feed.dart too, which is pretty much similar to connect.dart, but I had to include the two things that I was talking to you about, or I included the client in, right? And then it's pretty much the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing as connect.dart.
Yeah, we're gonna need to clean that up because it's repeating the stuff that's in connect.dart.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And that's it. Like these are it. Then it's time to clean up after I connect this. Okay. Implemented feed page tests.
Driver test.
Command enter. So yeah, this is where I need to work. Well, now if it's just a string.
But the thing is, the reason why I said it may have been just a string is because you see how we have an example where it wouldn't just be the string would be the test bed. Because if you see on the test bed, it's the exact the only thing that differs between the connect, is it connect or is it feed? Yeah, the only thing that differs between the connect page and the feed page is the test bed, whatever you return for the test bed. But then you have your when blah blah blah, then return this. And even then, now that I think about it, we could there is a way to make it so that actually wait. Yeah, there is a way to put this stuff into a function. There's a way to
with all this connectivity stuff and then the HTTP stuff and everything.
Yeah. We're gonna need to consolidate that into function. The way that we're gonna do that is probably just gonna be a function like setup valid client or something like that. And what that's gonna do is we're gonna be passing in the client, and then the client will get set up so that so that this whole when is set up, like the mock response is set up through a function rather than doing it in multiple places. That makes sense? And it shouldn't be in common. It should be in the test. Oh, forget it. It is in test. My fault. So,
yeah.
Okay. What was your issue on HTTP request?
I mean, there was no issue. I didn't know how to put it in a different file. Couldn't figure it out because I needed so many things. like that, and then a whole bunch of others that was giving me issues with the tester, obviously.
The only thing that you need from this is the client.
The client.
Yes, the client, and then the library that provides when, meaning that you won't even have a mock client. It'll be your function will be taking in a client. So
Oh,
yeah, so you're gonna have a function, and one of its parameters is gonna be a client, right? An HTTP client. And what's gonna happen is that this when client.get blah 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 blah. This is the block of code that we're gonna set up so that the expectation, the mock response happens.
so it needs a tester in the client, right? It's gonna be looking for a tester too.
No, because
No?
this setup that's a different part, right? Because yeah.
Are you talking about just this part?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Yeah, that should be doable. This is kind of what was getting messed up.
And even then, if we wanted to have everything, meaning we have the tester, the client, and the library for setting up the expectation, all we would need to do is have a class, and passing in the tester and the client and any parameter that we need. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So what's confusing you? Like what?
Nothing. For some reason, it makes sense now. I don't. Give it a try. But so you don't want me to do the string
Before
thing, right?
no, not the string. Let's look at the is it cool if I get control for a bit?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. My name is Andy. Hi. So
you gonna teach me something today?
Let's look at the PR instead. Is it cool if I open up Chrome?
Oh yeah, of course. I got a lot of bad things on.
Yeah, that's exactly why I asked.
This guy's really good. Oh my god.
What's it called again? Oh, wrong hub. What's it called again? Mural. Yeah. So let's check the differences. Compare.
The differences. Are you hyped when you see my work, bro? Or does it get you mad that we got more cleanup?
Let me see something real quick. So, why are you? Good. Keep doing that.
Guy keeps looking at my code with disrespectful face.
Shit, I'm just reading. Welcome.
Looking at my code like I hurt you or something. Wow, I know how to do it now. What's wrong with me, Patrick? I'm starting to think, like, is it because I'm lazy or is it because I don't know? Like, I'm always trying to question myself, like, what's going on? It's like I didn't even sit down to think about that. I don't know what's wrong. I have issues.
these are all, yeah. So you see something like this. I'm pretty sure that do we have?
Yeah, you do. You do have it in another file, in another test file. It's the same function. What are you worried about? We're in the cleanup anyway. It's pretty much pulled from the connect test because it's similar. And you made those functions. I was like, if those are right, they don't be right for me. He ain't gonna force.
Someone loves repeating code. Love it, love it, love repeating code.
Fine, kid. We're not gonna repeat code. We're gonna be passing in this horse.
Yeah. Alright, so we do need to turn this into we do need to wait, is this is for the driver, right? Yeah, this is for the driver.
Yeah.
And then we have one for the widget. So yeah, so it's the same thing here too. When client I get then answer.
Yeah.
And we have setup HTTP client. Why can't we do this in setup HTTP client? What's in setup HTTP client? Where's
Right there.
let's see.
Let's take a good look.
What is it?
Where is it?
It's in one of the regular tests. Feed
Common?
test. So when blah set up HTTP client.
Oh, down there.
The definition. So yeah, this is also duplicated.
Oh yeah.
Nice one, Danny. So
Good looks, Wesley. I want to shout out all the streamer viewers so he sees how he bullies me.
Yeah.
For code duplication.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, we got there's some code duplication.
Connectivity. Not HTTP client. So yeah, there is. We could do it in setup HTTP client where why isn't this letting me type over? So here we'd basically be setting it up so that where else do we use this setup HTTP client? We go to the references. So it's only referenced in one place here and
so we could put it in the HTTP client, that code.
Yeah, we're just checking to see where else it's used. So set up HTTP client.
Let's see this magic, bro. I'm excited.
Yeah, I swear it was perfect. I swear to God, it was perfect. So if we go into connect test, right? So we also use setup HTTP client here, which is supposed to return a valid thing. And then we also set up the HTTP client here for an invalid response.
Oh,
so
hold on. I think I have the HTTP clients a little bit different. I think the test is going to have to change with the listing that you talked about. So do you see their HTTP client? I mean, right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Never mind. Continue. I was confusing with something else.
I see what you're about to say. The child for this is something else. So the child is going to be the feed page, but that's why we're consolidating into one function. So set up HTTP client, and then what we could do is yeah. So Yeah, so we're gonna have something like this, where so is setup HTTP client only is it using the driver too?
Um,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's see. Feed dot dart. No, it's not. It's just one client dot get.
Yeah, just the one thing is.
So this is how it's basically gonna pan out. We have so basically this when function operates on two things, right? It when a URL is called, when a URL is when not a URL, an HTTP request is called, then we would send a response. So basically, we're gonna need a list of what it's gonna be is for our basically for setup HTTP client, we're going to have some kind of function which is not even a function. It's yeah mock client, and then for now, let's say that we provide responses, right? Let's say that responses is one of the let me just make a new function for now. Copy. Okay, so set up HTTP client. Let's say that we have the tester, the client, and then we have some kind of a map which maps a
sample response.
It maps whatever this is. I don't know what this is. Let's see. It maps a URL and in headers to we're gonna need a map. We're gonna need a map of the URL. I don't even think we're gonna need a map of the URL to whatever that is. We're gonna need a list which contains URLs and
when we
headers.
make the actual functionality.
Huh?
When we make the actual functionality.
What do you mean when we make the actual functionality?
Like this. Oh, never mind. I'm thinking about when it's actually the real thing. How the real thing is gonna work with the HTTP requests.
Yeah, this is for mapping a list of URLs to a response, meaning that if we have a list of some data structure which contains a URL and contains the expected response, then we'll be able to pass that in. So basically, it's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be something like class URL responses, right? URL response, which takes in a URL, which is whatever this client.get is expecting, a URL and a the header Well, the URL, the header, which is a map of what is it right here? When client dot get? Where's the when client dot get? When client dot get?
Where did that go? Oh, right there.
When client dot get. It's expecting a URL and an optional map of string to string for headers, right? So dynamic URL, a map of string to string of headers. String to string of headers, right? And then a response. So this response is, let's say that it's a string for now. It's because that's the majority of what we're using, right? It's an HTTP response actually. So it's an HTTP response. HTTP dot response. Right? So we'll have a list of these, and then we're gonna provide that list, and we're gonna populate the when with it. Meaning that we'll have the URL responses, right? Which is let's make the constructor for it. So URL response with let's make it all optional for now. So we'll have this dot URL,
this dot headers,
this dot headers, and this dot response. So we have So we have the response, the URL, and the header, right? So that's the data structure that we're going to be passing in. Why are you saying, wow? Dick, bro.
Kid, why? It gets me mad that you use the cool little new format for constructors.
Kid, can you English, please? So, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I said wait till we get off camera.
So we have the URL response, right?
Yeah.
And now, what we could do is, instead of HTTP client, we could pass in a list. Let me make it optional for now. A list of, I don't think Dart has a list. I think it's just array. So let's try. I think it's list. Yeah, I think there's a list in Dart. Yeah.
No, there is.
No.
There is.
A list of URL responses. URL response. What?
Language.
Responses. No, I can't remember. Okay, so we have this list of URL responses, right? So now, what we're trying to do is have the setup. So basically, we have this when, right, which is right here. Where is it? When client, when some response, then answer this, right? So we're gonna turn this into a function.
Hold up.
What?
What about the text part?
Yeah, that's where the data structure comes in.
Oh yeah, with the map.
So it's basically gonna be. Oh fuck. Oh no. You know what happened? I set up my keyboard so that when I do command / it puts it full screen. I'm gonna edit my thing right now so that I could put it back to normal. What's it called?
Dear
Right.
man.
What's a good shortcut?
Oh no.
We do
Oh
we do
goodness.
control. Yeah, we do control that. Okay. Right. Perfect. So yeah, let's comment this out. Yeah, I was wondering why it didn't comment it out. So we have we're gonna turn this into a function, right? So void, right? Void um, set up uh, mock responses, and we have this list of URL responses. Responses, right? And then basically for response for URL response in responses, we are when response dot URL comma response dot headers dot then answer.
What?
Let's see what we choose. Let's finish putting this stuff. Yeah. It's supposed to be headers here. Headers. It's okay. Wait. Yeah. So what we're gonna have to do is just make it forget. Set up mock get. Wow, this is very slow. I'm
Is it
telling you,
really?
it's not showing up. Okay. Mock get responses. So basically, it's gonna be when responses and then client. What is it? HTTP client?
Yeah.
HTTP dot
Fine.
client. So it's basically gonna be when client dot get response response dot URL and then header response dot headers then answer underscore response not response. We'll just call it this for now. What is the issue? Didn't answer async. supposed to have a status code. Response dot response, and then no, it already it's supposed to have a status code within the response. So semicolon. Okay. So we have our list of responses. We're gonna rename this to something else. We have our client. So for URL response, and responses, when client.get response URL and response headers, then answer response.response. And so basically what this is gonna translate to is us having it's gonna translate to we're gonna make a URL response equal URL response, and then we're going to be putting in the URL mural URL plus mural info, and then we're going to have the headers. What headers are we putting? Headers accept application.json headers.
Copy paste.
Yeah. Headers accept application.json, then response. This response. This response. HTTP response. Type control instead of command. Okay. So we have our URL response, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna pass in this data structure. Let me put a comma here so that, oh my god, it's not letting me. Okay. So it's gonna be setup HTTP client. Let's try setup HTTP client to tester client, and then I wonder if we could just do this response. No, we can't. List of URL responses. Why isn't this letting me do it? Oh, so it's the it's option. I'm supposed to put in response. So it's supposed to be response. Responses, maybe? Yeah. Responses. I wonder if we could just do this. Yes, we can. Because Dart is dynamically typed. Yeah. Okay. So await HTTP client to tester client responses. So now we get rid of this. And now, um, yeah.
Can you
Now,
scroll up?
what's up?
Up more. Yeah, we have it there.
Yeah. I'm just testing it because I want to make sure that it works for one before I
Oh,
do it for everything.
sure, buddy, sure.
Unlike Mr. Andy here, who just goes crazy and just replaces everything
Like I
before
was gonna be able to do that.
before running this stuff. Yeah, I know.
Like I was gonna be able to do that.
Kid, we don't even know if it works. So
Yeah, see soon.
so which test is this? Connect. Let's try to run it to see setup client to run. Yeah, it passed. Connect page. Valid Wi-Fi state. Invalid connection. Yeah. So we have a URL response. Our URL. So now, even if we want to have multiple states, you want to know what's crazy?
Mm.
No, forget it. If the thing is, if we have a different URL, like let's say that we have multiple URLs for one thing, we could pass in the list of URLs in our list of expected responses. So now that we have this function, all we have to do is make this data structure and then use the function every time instead of having to duplicate the same function across places.
Are you living now? Are you living good?
Okay.
Bowen treats him good, this treats him good.
What do you say? Boeing?
I mean,
Boeing's treating you good. Let me see. Let me see what Boeing's at right now.
Great.
Is it?
It's like 217 and 260.
Boeing stuff. BA stuff. It's up. I don't know why you're like saying it's ass. Listen, man, bro. He'll never be content with the stuff he has.
I need it to 300. And then I'll sell it.
Yeah?
I will sell it to the moon.
Watch, it's gonna hit 300 and this man's like, I need 400, bro. But yeah, okay. So now we're gonna be replacing wherever we have this, we're gonna be replacing it with our mock response. The beautiful thing is we could put since most of the time it's mural plus mural info, we could put this into a string and then
yeah.
And then use that for the mock stuff. But
so we have to change that in a good amount of places because we have it all in all the feeds and all the connects.
Well, not really, because
What do you mean not really?
not all of them, because there's places that we set up the HTTP client without. Wait, let's see what the setup HTTP client code is. So this is the original setup HTTP client, right? So we have our mock connectivity, and then we have our widget. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to turn this into a data structure. The only issue that I can think of right now is that you see how here. No, actually no. We won't be using this setup HTTP client for the driver tests. The only thing that we'll be using for the driver test is it's probably the URL. So if you see the test driver here, right, and then we look at feed.dart, we'd probably use this function. Yeah, we would use this function for it.
That's what I was thinking.
set up mock get responses, and then for the other stuff we would be using the setup HTTP client. So this function is going to be used more than this because this is more for setting up. Yep. Yeah. So now that we have this, let's put it somewhere that other things can access it. So I got a question.
It's gonna be used in tests and driver tests.
Yeah, but the thing is, test takes priority over driver test because most of our stuff is gonna be done in.
So let's put in common, right?
Yeah. So I got a question for you, Doug.
Delete my garbage. Right?
I got a question for you.
What's the question for me?
What was the issue? Huh? Why? Wait! Don't delete it.
What are you gonna joke on more?
I want you. Kid, that was a mad good file name. I don't know why you like that.
You're one of the nicest kids, yeah.
What did I do?
Nothing. Kid, let's move on now from this pain.
Move on to where?
Move on from this, what's it called? What are you gonna do with this?
We still need to consolidate some more stuff. Because we made the function, now we need to actually replace it wherever we have.
So let's do it.
Why don't
So let's do it.
Kid.
In the feeds, in the commons, in the connects.
Kid.
You
see? This is why
I was not gonna be able to do that.
Nah, listen.
Thanks you right now 10 times.
Remember when I was telling you that you should aim to not copy paste? Now look, we have to change it in 3 places or more. Okay, but if we had just put it into a function from the start, from the first time.
Tell me why we have to copy paste. Tell me why. All the time.
What you say?
I don't know how to make it dynamic all the time. And in order for me to provide something that's working, I have to do code duplication.
No, I'm just fucking with you, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Kid, I'm just messing with you, Doug. I'm just messing with you.
Oh, goodness.
Alright, so yeah, we should name these better. So no, I'm talking about this. It just says you response in Okay. Yeah, so this should be changed too, but
are you sure we're not gonna need that in the string? Oh,
what, this? Yeah, it's gonna be in a string, but it's still gonna get replaced to something else.
yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. Yeet. And it's probably not gonna be in a string. It's gonna be a HTTP response.
Good looks, bro.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Wanna know something crazy? From time to time, it goes from 1 viewer to 2 viewers.
Nicola keeps checking in on
Good.
It keeps checking up on you.
Make sure I'm still alive.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
The restraint is heavy.
You're lucky. This stream protects.
For what reason?
You're lucky this stream protects your peace and health.
Hi, kid. So, common. This man really took out. I told him not to take it out. He really took it out. Common.
Why?
What are we calling it? What are we calling it? That's why I told you not to delete it, so that way we could work on the file, but you wanted to delete it, so.
It was HTTP request. That's it. Lowercase HTTP and capital R.
It's supposed to be underscore. No, I'm just
Why?
messing with you. I'm just messing with you. HTTP, HTTP setup. Dot.
HTTP. I keep forgetting.
Kid. Keep doing that, okay? Keep doing that. You'll get
Okay.
far. You'll get far. What am I looking for?
Oh goodness.
So now we need to put this function in here.
Hell
The
yeah.
setup HTTP client. Oh no. Let's first put the other function, the setup setup mock responses. So this is why you should have Vim, dog.
I can't even copy and paste.
Kid, you wouldn't have to highlight over stuff if you had Vim. Set up mock. Let's paste this here. So now we're gonna need the data structure that we just made. Kid, look at what you did.
Oh my.
Look at what you did. If you just had Vim, we would have been booming right now. Because we wouldn't have had to highlight all this stuff. So, serious talk. You ready?
Yes.
When are you getting Vim?
What you say? I can't hear.
When are you
Are you
getting Vim?
when I can learn how to type?
Kid, you know what's a good suggestion for learning how to touch type? Learn on a new keyboard. Learn on the Dvorak keyboard. Because think about it. It's a completely new keyboard.
I'm gonna go work for a company and I'm gonna work on the Dvorak keyboard interface. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't even know the record.
But the thing is, when you have the Dvorak keyboard, since it's a new keyboard, you'll just look at
Where is your Dvorak keyboard?
I'll show you my Dvorak keyboard.
The regular ass keyboard.
Look, wait, where is it? Look, you'll see A-E-I-O-U.
What's wrong with you?
Dude, I'm learning. I'm trying to.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to learn how to type it with Dvorak because they said that it's less. You move your fingers around less because most of the typing happens in the
hotspots.
yeah. So it's better. It's better for you to it's better since your fingers aren't moving out as much. So it's good for.
You're a different breed.
Huh?
You're a different breed.
For what reason?
Cause I don't even know the basic keyboard.
Copy. Kid, you got this. I trust you.
I don't trust myself.
Oh. I think it's Flutter tests. that has the win. Yeah, command copy.
Do you know what I do when I couldn't figure out which one it was? I copied
all of them, and then you remove the one that you didn't use.
Yes, that's exactly what I do.
Maybe it's this one.
See, maybe it's this one. Just put them in.
Me.
This is your stream, not mine.
Just put them in. Yeah. That's why I'm killing.
Yeah, you're killing yourself in your own stream.
Kid, all I can tell you.
Degradation.
This man can't even English, bro. Degradation.
I said degradation.
That's not even a word, bro.
I was hoping it was.
So we have when client.get response.url and response.header, then answer with that response. Set up mock get responses. So we now will import this.
Import.
Why? Why? Why?
Delete that, sir.
How about you delete your face? Oh. Kid.
Let it. Delete the second one.
Why don't you delete it?
Delete that whole chunk. Not that. More up.
We still need this.
The second one?
What second one?
You have two of them.
The setup HTTP client 2? We need it because we're still gonna make modifications to this. This isn't this because look, this is set up so that it accepts the connect page.
Oh.
So set up. Why is this?
What is this?
Wait, do we even use the function though? So set up HTTP client 2. Let's go into this.
Do we use the function? We don't use setup HTTP client 2.
So I don't think we saved it when we ran it. Wait. Wait.
Got the stream. Go back and watch the stream.
Wait.
You have issues for not saving shit, bro.
Wait a minute.
You have major issues.
Do we really not use it? So responses, yeah, we don't use it. So how come?
How come the test pass?
Because it throws a 404 when it's it throws a 400 error when it's when we don't set up anything for the client. But we do have a client. It's just that it's probably a null client.
Congratulations, Patrick.
So let's actually pass it in this time. So what is the
I forgot the name.
setup mock get responses and then client.
Now save and run the tests, buddy.
Run the man's buddy. ha
Nice.
ha.
Nice.
Now we're gonna have to test it with the valid one to see what it returns. But
Let's
so
do it.
set up HTTP client.
Just do it.
We have mock activity.
So,
What's the test beds? What's the feed pages? No, not this one. The widget feed test. So, feed test. What's your setup? Okay, so this uses, you have the app bar, and you have the child. Yeah, so let's just keep them separate for now. Because they set up differently. This one uses the app bar, the other one doesn't. So let's remove
let's.
this. Set up HTTP client. Let's remove this.
We do a little delete. And then would you look at that?
There's a bit of red.
Oh, we got some
red wine.
Change that to 1.
I didn't change it to 1, Andy.
But
I didn't. So what are you gonna do about it, bro?
Do what you want. I'll fight you.
Dude, I swear, when the interviewing people ask how you are as a person, I'm just gonna send this stream. I'm gonna have them listen to you. They're gonna listen to the manure that you say.
You listen to manure music. You listen to some trash music. The stream needs to know this. Whoever's watching this, yo. This kid's music might kill you.
Yo.
Yo.
Now let's do it for setup HTTP. So we have this. So we have a different URL response. Ay.
Doing that copy paste.
Kid, it's not my fault that you don't use
Why
them.
do you keep
bro.
right clicking? Why don't you do control?
Because I know it annoys you. That's why I do it. Okay?
Yeah, it does annoy me. Because you're a tool.
How does that make you feel?
It gets me more mad because I heard the click.
Yeah. Cut.
This guy really thinks this shit is fun.
Red wine.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Kid, I can't wait for Christmas now.
Me too.
Me neither.
This guy thinks he's my English teacher. Can you tell me how I got perfect A's in English class in college? How did I do so good on my papers when I can't English correctly?
Kid. Dartmouth.
Are you trying to say my writing?
Huh?
I have beautiful writing. I sound like I just got dropped off the boat.
Wow, Andy, what are you trying to say?
I'm saying I'm a fresh Albanian. I have. This is the stream. I can't say no.
Kid, I'm just listening to you, okay?
I can't say no more, bro. The stream hurt enough.
Kid, you're lucky your
FBI's knocking on me.
You're lucky your face isn't in this, bro. What was that? Oh, it was black.
What?
So, nothing.
That's fast. We living great right now.
Valid connection response, invalid connection response, connectivity initial state, and invalid network state. So,
nice. Very nice.
URL
Nice
response, URL info. So this is the URL response that we're gonna be using across multiple places.
Yeah.
You see this whole thing. So you see the beauty of it now, Andy. So you see how this is like almost 10 lines. Now we could put it into.
I see how beautiful it is, Patrick.
Now we could put it into one thing, and then we'll be.
You're
Gucci,
welcome.
Okay? You're telling me I'm welcome.
So yeah. So we're always gonna have to have that set up HTTP client.
That's the thing. I don't think we there is a way to make this.
That's just going too far.
And one day.
Say it, Patrick. Say it to your number one viewer.
Good. One day. Okay, that's all I gotta tell you. Okay. So we have set up mock get responses. So
Did you make all these changes in the feed page? Or the feed test?
The thing is, this could still like I'm seeing it. I'm seeing that this could be
He's gonna do it. What?
Kid, it's because you know what's gonna happen? We're gonna copy the exact same thing and we're only gonna change 2 lines.
For the profile page.
Huh?
We're gonna do the same for the profile page.
No, even for feed, because feed has this. Because if you look here, feed, you see how it's set up HTTP client? We're gonna be putting the exact same thing. But the difference is that we're gonna be having and it's a simple change, bro. It's a simple change for now.
Super simple.
You wanna see how simple it is? I'll show you how simple it is.
Super simple.
I'll show you how simple it is.
It's a super simple waste of time.
Watch. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Bro. Widget.
At bar. Widget. The other thing.
But the thing is, this is very bad practice for functions. Your functions shouldn't have more than two parameters. Right now I'm just putting it like this so that because
you're living like a king right now.
Nah, we're probably gonna turn this into a class. So we're gonna turn this into a class, and then the class is gonna handle all this stuff. Widget app bar, and then widget.
Class.
No, child.
What? Oh, wait,
actually.
What? Child.
Actually, no. You know what's gonna happen?
Why don't you have issues on the left?
Yeah, let's just keep it. I really don't feel like repeating it. Kid, no. The thing is.
I appreciate your sacrifice for once. To people like me, this is a dopamine rut.
Kid.
You have broken your principles. How are you gonna sleep tonight? Stop trying to think of new ways to do it. Just let it go.
Kid, it's not over till it's over, okay?
I cannot wait till coronavirus is done. I will be able to live again. Psych! It's not like I left the crib anyway.
Kid, are you sure?
We leave the crib so much with our major pal. I didn't even leave my college dorm, bro.
That's not what HS said.
I hope people that are not supposed to see this, and then I get fried.
You're not gonna get fried, bro.
And then you lose your partner.
You're not. You're not gonna get fried, bro.
Remember, everything still hurts, regardless. Regardless, I can't go into. But
yeah,
it's like the same thing as Naruto's pain character, and that's it.
Okay.
He didn't know what to say. So the face says it all. Yes, sir. Good. Can we move on? This isn't healthy looking at this function.
Wait.
Wait.
Why are we passing in client to connect page? Oh yeah, it does need it. It needs it. It needs it. It needs it because it makes a second request. After the connectivity makes a request, the connect page needs to make its own request too. Because I thought that we wouldn't need it, but it needs it. So yeah, this is gonna annoy me. Yeah, let's just.
Yo, my dad's calling me real quick.
Hi.
Alright.
Feed. So we have the test pen. We have set up HTTP client or something. Definition. So we have set up HTTP client, tester, and client. So this is going to change to one.
To the moon we go. Alright, bye.
So.
So what?
So it's either it's either the setup happens on the outside or it happens on the inside. Because it makes it more modular if we make it happen on the outside, the setup. Because but the thing is we're passing in that same yeah, okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a bit of duplication for now, and then we're gonna clean it up so that it's one class. So I'm just gonna get it functional. I'm gonna get it functional, and I'm gonna
functional. Very nice, very cool, very nice. Nice, very cool. Cool, very nice, cool. You're one of a kind, Patrick. That's why SpongeBob's friends with you.
That's why what?
SpongeBob is friends with you.
That's why you're SpongeBob. That's why.
That's stream, bro. That's stream. Can't wait to watch this. I'm gonna be laughing in my sleep. I'm just gonna play it. I'm just gonna hear your comments. I'm gonna be laughing for hours.
For what reason? Why is your thing mad slow? It's like I highlighted and it takes 10 years.
Yeah, it's my fault. It's my fault. All of this. Yeah.
It takes 10 years for it to highlight. Like, damn, fix your thing, bro. This is what happens when you yeah, this is gonna need to get cleaned up heavy. Kid, who are you typing to? That guy, you're so focused.
I was typing to some girl.
Gotcha.
That's not my girl. That's like actually not my girl.
Got you.
I don't know how to explain.
Got you. I got you. Okay, you have to elaborate. God damn.
Oh, this is a stupid stream. Why am I speaking?
Good, I told you not to elaborate, bro.
To the moon. The imposter goes.
Now let's set a couple of.
This man is still looking at the connect.
Kid, what are you doing?
But won't look at the feed.
I am on the feed. Look.
No, he switched it.
Sus, look, I added stuff onto it. This man's nice. Oh my god.
Then your name.
Now we need to make these URL responses
cool.
Valid.
I was gonna say some stupid stuff, but I stopped myself.
What were you about to say?
I'm not gonna say it, bro. What kind of... What did you do, bro? What did you do?
What do you mean, what did I do?
Everything's broken. Everything is broken.
We need to import the constant stuff.
Yes, we do.
Why? What is your problem?
Oh my goodness. He didn't want to do quick fix. He's so wet.
What is your problem, dog?
Are you going to be using that to pass in all the time? The valid one?
Yes.
So you don't have to do it through there? Would you look at that? That would you look?
You see, Andy?
You see?
Okay, don't make me come at you.
Do it. Bad response. There you go. Look at this shortening, bro. This guy's getting so much serotonin, dopamine above.
You see?
He doesn't know how to act because he condenses a few things.
And you want to know something even crazier?
Look
at this.
And you don't need all that, right?
Yes. That's another one.
This guy, like, I don't even know what to say about him. Keep doing that, and where it's gonna be so high level that no human is gonna be able to read this. You're making it so high level.
How about no?
Why'd you leave it as option? Oh yeah, you left it as optional on purpose. Actually, yeah, you don't need that whole thing. Look at your goofiness, doing it all over again.
What?
Go back to the page. URL respond.
Your thing's taking forever to click.
This guy really can't click. Like, that's insane. Clickety rickety. Tickly wickly. Wow, I forgot I'm on stream. I should stop. I just let myself blab, just type so much bullshit.
Kid, it takes an outsider, an outside view to realize
how dumb we
messed
actually
up.
are.
Yeah.
This life is crazy. Crazy life. Life crazy.
Huh?
Crazy life, life crazy.
So now we can get rid of this. No, we can't. Because that, you see, that's the whole thing. We're gonna have duplication, bro. That's. Ugh. We should probably make these static, bro. How to static dart. Okay. So URL response static Yo,
Yeah.
how much wood can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
A lot of wood.
That's not a good answer.
How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? A woodchuck can chuck wood. That's how you know we're back to full brain power mode. After a long day of texting, you're back in the game.
After a long day of what?
Of texting
Uh-huh.
and being lost in the wind.
What?
Now you're back in the game. You don't get it?
After a long day of texting?
Now you're back in the game. You... that week. I don't know how you're able to solve these problems.
I don't get it.
You're not able to get my jokes.
I don't get it.
You're not gonna get it forever, and I'm not telling you.
Can you repeat it one more time?
Nope. It's done with. I can't believe you don't want the stream to remember.
Kid, stop being like that.
To be like.
Say it one more time. You spend
Forgot
the whole
what I said.
you spend the whole day texting and now your head is back in the game?
Yeah. That was like not even a joke, it was just a regular saying, like I don't know what you don't understand. I really feel bad for the people watching these.
For what, kid?
They probably think we really have conditions.
Kid.
But we're decent kids. We're just being free.
Let me see how long
we are being in a free world. We feel at peace.
Let me see how long it takes for a simple refactor.
Yes, some girls that you're gonna talk to in the future are gonna see this.
Uh-huh.
They're gonna be like, "Wow, this guy's really something else."
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Then we're gonna ask ourselves, why don't we get girls?
Yeah. Good at that computer science life, bro. That computer science life, bro.
Oh goodness.
We need the data structure, right? No, we have a function right here. Wait.
Wait. Are you still working in the
Kid, don't you see? It says it's better now because it's it's almost done. God
damn. When he tries to defend it, he said, "You see, it's better now."
Set up HTTP clients. Now all you have to do is add the responses, and then this array, and then it's gonna be URL response dot valid response.
Wow.
Right. Right.
This is why.
Right, and now we get rid of this.
Wow. Just wonderful, Pat. You did that last time. That's what's funny.
Kid.
You think I don't see these little things?
Don't make me come at you, Doug.
You ain't coming at nobody on this street, bro.
So invalid state when get mural URL. Yeah, we don't need the HTTP client. Wait. When client dot get. So I have a question for you.
Do not force.
I'm not gonna force.
What's the damn question?
Why is this repeated? Good.
You know what, Pat? I really don't know how we made it this far.
Don't you see it? It's the exact.
I see it. Why do we have to go to these lengths? Nobody's winning with this paint.
Hi, kid, hi. This is how it's supposed to be. So stream controller dot add. Yeah, this stays the same. And then we have set up HTTP client URL, valid URL response. Yep. Let's run it now.
Let's do this.
Ah! I hate you. I hate you. Okay. You're funny, Andy. You're funny.
This guy was about to punch the air.
All test pass.
Nice. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
How much?
Very nice. So now, since this is done, the only thing that would be left would be the feed dart and connect dart.
Wait.
This hunk of junk is gonna get commented.
Your face is a hunk of junk.
You're bad.
Why is it not changing?
Oh, I make the rules now.
Alright, so I think we could commit everything. Right, it should be set up, blah 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 blah.
We can commit this pain.
Oh, we still need to do it for this. When client.
Do you know what's funny?
Huh.
These were the two things I was talking about, and you ignored me.
When?
I was just gonna, I was saying it, and then you were like, hold on, let me review that. I was telling you about feed.dart and connect.dart. They have the same thing in them. But you didn't want to listen. You didn't want to listen to me. And now you ran into it. Mad annoying. Look at feed.dart.
I know.
You just left these like these and you did all that.
What?
You just left these like this and you did all that function shit.
Yeah, so we're just supposed to. So you could do it. Now you could.
You
could
do it. You do it.
What do you mean I do it? I'll commit the rest of this
Do
stuff
it.
and then you could.
You do.
Come in.
Watch when I break the whole application.
Swear to God, you will find a way. This man. And be like, yo, Pat, one of the tests are failing. Comment, setup.
Oh.
Yeah.
After all these commits and whatever, I need to actually run the application. No, we don't. These are just for tests. Never mind. I don't care. Okay. Push, 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 push. Pop it. Squeeze it. Pull it.
Do you know what you're supposed to do?
Yeah, I know what I'm supposed to do.
What are you supposed to do?
I'm supposed to use these things like you did, and then do it for the feed and then connect. I'm gonna have to use response dot valid neural response or valid response, whatever. You know. You know the vibes.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes, sir.
Of course you do. Of course you do. Let me import it first.
What were you writing?
Watching. I'll show you what I was writing. Set up mock. Get.
That's how nice I am.
I wonder if it's gonna let me import it.
That is wonderful.
You're sus. Import. Nope.
How were you able to delete and continue with that?
Cause I'm nasty like that.
Nah.
The hell?
Nah, maybe it just lets you.
No. Cause I'm nasty like that. Okay.
Nasty my fucking ass.
What? What'd you just say?
I'm nasty like that.
What?
You didn't get it?
I thought you said eat my.
What?
I swear to God, that's what I heard you say, bro.
No girls, you see what you're talking about, bro?
I swear to God, that's what I heard, bro.
Bro, you need to get some like ear cleaner or whatever they use for that stuff. Start using it. Respond.
Okay, that's not how.
Optional. This guy's just copying his own work. Why'd you write URL? Oh.
Kid, chill. Why are you doing that? It just froze on my side. Hello?
Hello?
Kid, why'd you do that?
That got me so frustrated.
Kid, it just froze a bit on my side. Damn. What are you doing? Kid, chill, bro. God damn.
What are you doing?
I'm almost done. Set up mock get responses. My goodness.
This guy's under big pressure.
URL. Response. Why isn't it auto completing?
You spelled it wrong again.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, shit. What did we have before? Let me check it real quick.
That was the valid one, bro. Guy's really doing all this.
I don't trust you.
He's really doing all this.
Valid response. Then client.
What about the header thing? Never mind. I thought it was 3 things that you had to pass in.
We already have we already have them. You see the beauty of it? It's already available to us. Because we made it so that it has everything that we need.
Oh yeah.
So you see, now you don't have to repeat it a bunch of damn, bro.
Nice.
Nice, very nice. How much?
Very nice. Now we just gotta do it for connect page.
Wait. Set up mock get responses. Valid URL response. Test bed. Yeah. Kid, I swear to God. Like,
Say what you want.
I swear to God, bro.
This guy thought I was doing stupid.
Cause you are.
On the stream.
Cause you are.
Kid, what did you just do?
Don't worry about what I did. God, why isn't it letting me auto import? Now I have to go all the way here and freaking copy it. What's wrong with your breath? Why you go?
That's why I laugh, you asshole.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, delete the unused import on both files.
Why don't you delete your face?
This guy, oh my.
Alright, so you're the one who put it there.
Can you go to connect one more time?
Let me save this first. What's up?
Alright, looks good.
There's something else, bro.
Now it's time for the commit.
Now it's time to run it. This man, he makes a bunch of tests and he doesn't even run it. This is why the build broke last time, okay?
If it works, I'm gonna be cool.
Where's the iOS?
What is this man doing?
What's your issue?
You could just copy and paste it. Oh, this guy's gonna kill me. Patrick, copy and paste it.
It's only one letter off, dog. Damn. You see?
No.
You sure that's what you wanted to say?
Yes. That's it. That's all I wanted to say.
I'm Millie rock on any block. Yo. I'm Millie rock on any block. Yo.
How old is that song?
Older than us.
Old. That was a great joke, bro.
I'm so funny, right, Andy? I'm the funniest bird ever.
Remember that stream? Remember that damn stream?
Kid, what am I looking for? There's also the navigation test. I don't know how.
I want to stream things for accountability. And then this guy's a 3-star comedian.
What?
Oh.
What'd you say?
This man's a 3-star comedian, bro. Navigation.
Damn, you give me all that, bro? You give me 3 stars, bro?
That's all you get.
So
3 out of
nice,
10.
Bro.
3 out of 10, like my grades on my tests. That was a lie. Interviewers, that was a
lie. Are you sure? Alright, we got
Positive.
all the navigation tests running. Perfect. So we got all the tests running. Now we can commit all this stuff.
Nice. Let's just take a look at what you did.
Kid, you see? Look at this. Look at this beauty. Keep messing with the mouse. Keep messing with the mouse. Keep messing with the mouse.
Mad annoying. Oh my. You really have condition. You really have issues, kid.
Okay, I'll make it full for you.
Oh.
Since you love it so much. But now we just commit this. Not commit. Stage
Can you
this
go on the
to.
feed one? Hold up. Can you go on the feed one? Scroll up.
Okay, it's the same thing.
Oh, I just wanted to see if the comment was changed to .feed. Feed.rmd. Because the connect one said feed.connect. Connect.feed. Connect.dart. Damn.
You're special. What am I looking for?
I shrink the code.
Driver.
Commit.
What do you say?
I shrink the code commit.
Huh?
Nothing. You didn't get it, bro.
Kid, you're off today, bro. Like
you're off.
Driver test.
You're off with that hearing.
Driver test.
Code cleanup.
Set up. Mock. Get. Response. Okay, now we push it. Okay. Sue. Now let's check for oh shit, it doesn't work on. Let's check for get to make sure.
Get to make sure. Let's get to make sure every damn
kid,
second.
let's just check it.
What kind of trust issues do you have, kid?
Not to make sure that it's there so that we could see the changes, dog. Damn, don't you like to...
just saw the changes.
Yeah, but now we're gonna see it all at once.
This guy is so annoying.
Pretty soon we're gonna be able to open up a PR. Look, this man's always putting it to his own thing. Why? Why?
Because I run it.
Yeah?
You don't even run these things, bro. You run the app to test it.
I actually...
without running the whole application. We have big errors.
I actually do, okay?
You don't even run the app, bro. He doesn't even physically run the app.
Remember when you were like, what is this? What is this? No,
I know what it is now. It's just a stupid format you get.
So
the syntax is weird. Because I don't have much experience with these syntax things.
So you see this? The beauty of it? Now we only have a response in one place, and then we just use that same response in multiple places.
Oh, what a nice kid.
Alright, so...
What's left for this before we do a PR? What does Git say for that issue?
I think that's it.
I think that's it, right? Before we ever do the PR thing, we gotta physically test the app, right?
That's what the tests are here for.
We physically are gonna test.
Okay, so test it. Put it on your phone. Let's see. Display neural name on. Why isn't this letting me click it, dog?
Just click it, bro.
Okay. So I have tests written for the following requirements. I have driver test. Green check icon for valid mural, right? Mural name is displayed in that bar, and driver test validate Wi-Fi, valid status and connectivity mobile number.
Yeah, it's all done.
Okay, so perfect. Now.
Can you check them for me? Can you check them?
Check what?
Now we can continue.
This man wants me to do everything for him.
There's nothing more you have to do, bro. It's done.
Alright, so what do you want to do now? Check it on the phone?
Yeah.
We already checked it on the phone.
Oh, did we? So just do the test then. Have the GitHub run all the tests.
Yeah, so we're opening up the PR. Goddamn.
PR opening. PR.
Where is
This guy doesn't even remember.
compare and pull request? Feed mural name closes number 38. Create pull request. Right.
All those things are gonna be squashed.
Uh-huh.
That's a shame.
So you wanted this to show up: merge main, mural name, and feed info. All of that other caca. Ah,
Hell yeah, buddy.
hell yeah, brother.
Damn. 300 lines? Minus 100 though.
Let's see your history.
This guy's trying to show my profile to the street.
Oh, my fault. I forgot.
Nah, it's fine. I'm just laughing about it.
I forgot.
But nah, go back. I want to see it. Yeah. How are we doing?
One contribution. It's because you opened up a PR. Now I'm gonna have to review it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you see that I'm a pro, bro?
You're a pro? When they see that you're not in college anymore, you know they're gonna take it out, right?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, that's how you got the pro in the first place. Is because you had a UMass D email.
You have the pro?
Yeah.
Then you're illegal too.
I mean, I'm gonna lose it eventually, but until then, I'm gonna milk it all I can.
They don't need to know that.
Yeah, now they're gonna know. Someone from GitHub watches the stream. Yo, hook me up with a.
With the real membership, no cap.
Alright, so let's see what the build status is. Why is
What? Patrick.
Kid, you messed it up. I'm gonna check it on my end to see if it shows.
Whoa. Where are the tests?
I'm gonna check it on my end to see if it shows.
Watch the whole GitHub blow. Yo, what if the whole thing got deleted?
What whole thing?
Or like GitHub broke and like the whole thing got deleted somehow.
I
just jumped off the bridge.
You want to know the beautiful thing about Git? It's available on your computer. It has to be somewhere before it gets committed. So it's on your computer. We would have been able to copy and paste everything.
Oh,
and then push it to another repo. What would you say?
Push it back into another repo?
Yep.
So we wouldn't lose everything because we have it locally too.
Yeah, that's the
That's beautiful. That's nice. So Pat, what if you lost the whole project locally and Git?
And Git?
What happens then?
What happens then?
Yeah.
Kid, it won't happen, bro.
I'm just asking this for a scenario. What happens? How are you feeling right now?
Kid, we'll just redo it then. Why do you say that?
Because you think I'm going to remember 20,000 lines of code.
Kid, the workflow is working on my end. I don't know why it's not showing up on yours. Let me check. I'm going to check the quota in the meantime.
Maybe all you have to do is refresh, bro.
Maybe.
You see my screen?
I'm not looking at it right now. I'm just reviewing the PR. Oh.
Oh, what? Why are you smirking?
Please.
Why are you doing that when you did these changes?
Turn this into a function.
The test bed?
No, not the test bed. The expectations are the same for both
status. My. So we're not
Start
done.
review. No, we're not done. Start review. I think that's the only thing though. No, that's not the only thing.
Oh my god, I really thought we were done in the
we are.
camera.
We are. It's a small thing though. Finish your
I want to get to the fun part of the application.
Submit review.
Are you joking? That's right.
Uh-huh.
Are you joking?
What do you mean am I joking?
I can't, like... What?
From line 29 to 36. Uh,
What do you want me to do to it?
you see, the only thing that I forgot I had control of your computer. The only thing that
Yo!
I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you. Damn. Yeah. So you
Damn it,
see,
Jason.
this is the only part that changes. So you're gonna make a function which takes in a list of strings, and you're gonna pass in. It's gonna pass in none, and it's gonna pass in mobile. Does that make sense?
My God, you're out of pocket, bro. You're really out of pocket.
Kid, it's literally just one function that takes in a list of strings, bro. Okay.
You're really out of pocket.
Smells like
Hot pockets.
huh?
Hot pockets.
Red Robin, yum.
Are you serious or are you joking?
I'm serious.
You want me to make a function
Yes.
for strings?
Yes. Get the frustration. A level of frustration. Kid.
Mad.
Now let's see you code.
Now
Now you're on the spotlight.
we are going to see me code.
Let's see it.
What? Oh. Okay.
I'm already loving it.
Super funny. What do you want me to name it?
Whatever you want.
Mobile
You're
then Wi-Fi.
programming. You're programming. Do you?
This function is going, so I need to use. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. What am I supposed to do? Let me think about this.
Do you understand what the problem is? Well, let's start with there. Do you understand what the problem is?
Yes, I understand what the problem is. We got Wi-Fi. We got these strings. And you don't want me to write this. You want me to write function dot blah blah blah. All right.
Sure.
So let's say. Wait, can we do this? I remember somewhere. Finally, I'm a shortcutter. I'm a codes. What is it called? Stop
I didn't even say anything, bro.
You took my mouse out of my hand.
Oh, my fault. My fault. It did it by itself.
Hold on, what the hell am I doing, bro? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Give me a direction.
Left.
Nah, I really don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. So, what you're trying to do is have a function which takes in the request data that you want to pass in, and then expect not connected and expect X icon.
Hold on. Say that again.
Okay. So,
A function
what's different? Like, what changes in between?
the string.
Okay, so that's what you're trying to pass in, right? That's what you're trying to modify whenever you call the function, right?
Yes.
So how do you do that? How do you make it so that you have something that you could pass in? Yes.
Such a goofball. String, what do I want to call it? State? String state. And then here we have await. Okay, I got that, so now I should be able to do a Wi-Fi. And then right? No, what am I doing? Oh no, what am I doing, bro? You can delete this whole thing. Right?
This still won't do so you still have, first off, you still have code repetition. No.
What's the issue?
There's multiple issues. Take out that return.
Yeah.
So first off, we're still not done with this, right? So even let's say that you were to use this function, right, and then you pass in the state, the Wi-Fi state, you still have the duplication. Expect X not and it's not for the connected. The duplication happens in not connected. So you have the duplication of expect not connected text, and then you have the duplication of expect X icon, right?
Oh yeah.
So
this guy really wants me to put everything in one. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Wait, why not put it in two?
What do you mean by why not put it in two?
Because this is different.
But I'm not talking. I'm talking about yes. I'm talking about the not connected. Let's forget. Put connected back to its normal way, because we're not making any changes to connected. Now in not connected, that's where we have duplication.
So this we're not touching?
No.
Oh. You were telling me to do it for this?
Yes.
Oh. Well, that's all you have to say, buddy. You didn't have to force like that. I didn't know. I didn't know. Mad annoying. Mad annoying. Mad annoying.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now, we have another issue, right? You're calling the same function twice, right?
Isn't that what it's meant to be? Yes, I am.
So
Oh, with a for loop?
Okay. Okay, we're getting further and further.
So we're gonna do it 2 times, right?
But well, you're gonna do if you have.
Oh, so we'll make it dynamic. For. Well, we can't use all 3. We gotta use 2. Because if we use all 3 of them, it would be Wi-Fi, none mobile. So it would go through all of them. So how do we make it just for 2 dynamically? Without doing index. How would we do it?
You think it through. Just think.
Just think. Well, just think. How am I gonna do a dynamic instead of writing into?
Okay, let's say that you did decide to do N2. How would you do it with N2? Do it with N2, and then I'll see where you're going with this.
Oh. Oh my goodness. I pressed the wrong button. What happens? What happened? What incarnation happened? I don't know what's bringing it up, but.
Okay, now what? Now you have your for loop, you have x less than 2, now what?
I need to, as it increments, has to change to none, from none to mobile.
And how do you do that?
I can create a list of strings, right?
Exactly. Yeah, so that's where I wanted to get with you.
List.
Capital L.
List of strings. What do I want to call these strings? States?
Sure.
What did I do? Did I do the setup wrong?
Yes.
I don't remember how to make a listing. No?
Google it.
What is this? Flutter. Yeah. List of strings. Right?
Yes, sir. Kid.
How did you do that?
No, no, that's what you're supposed to do. It's just that stop calling your variables Bob. Like, call it something that's indicative. Because every time you do that, it's yeah.
Oops.
And that's it. That's
I'm a genius,
all
bro.
you have to do.
I'm a genius, bro. Would you look at me? I'm a genius. You just gotta give him some time to think and gather his thoughts and think about life a little bit.
Yeah. Right. So for state and states, and you change the function name.
Which one?
Wi-Fi states. Click
Well, what do you want?
verify state.
Verify state?
Yes. Verify invalid state.
Are you hyped now?
Yes, sir. Scroll up.
Wow, I'm always gonna do this now. Oh, that's such a cheating.
How's that cheating?
Nah, that's smart. Yeah. PR ready?
Yeah. Committed and push. Stage commit and push.
Commit and push.
Kid.
Yo.
Guess what my first comment on Twitch was?
What was it?
Let me put it on the screen.
Someone commented?
Yeah, some guy for followers.
He said follow me back?
Nah, for to buy followers.
Clown.
Yeah, one of those bots. But yeah.
Do you think we buy followers out here, bro? I'd rather have 0 followers than buy a follower.
Oh God.
Crazy.
Oh God.
Um.
But yeah, you could commit and push.
What should I say?
Address.
Removal.
Yeah.
All right.
Okie dokie. I'll send the check your way, okay?
Better, dog. Gonna do the test again.
It's gonna do it by itself. What you say?
Gonna do these tests. Can you hear me, bro?
Can you hear yourself?
Can you, bro?
Hello?
Did you hear me?
Kid, you're such a pig. You're such a pig.
That worked
You're
so
such
well.
It didn't work
That
well.
worked
It
so
didn't
well. You're
work
like,
well.
oh.
It didn't work well. I knew that you were faking it. I just wanted to hear it a second time to make sure that was some real stuff. Man sus, dog.
This guy looks
Not
like
sus.
a clown.
Man sus. Details.
Oh, what a life.
It's a hard not.
How's a Bitcoin doing, kid?
It's at 18K. It's been hovering like 19 and then 18 and then 17 and then 1 and then
It's never gonna give me a chance to hop in, right?
Kid.
They really force these prices. I don't know.
Kid,
Yo.
Nah.
Let me see something. When was the last time it hit 18K?
The last time it hit 18K? It's at 18K right now. 18 point
No,
something.
19K. That was in 2018, right?
Oh, last time it hit? I think it was 2017. That's when it had its
2017 December.
highest. Yeah.
So how long did that last? Let's see.
Like a couple, like not even 2 weeks. I think it was like 10 days or something like that, or something, or maybe
okay.
less.
Yeah, I want to see how long this holds. I really do. I want to see how long this current shit holds.
I want to see how long it holds too, because it hit 19K and then it went back down to 16, and now it's back to 18 again. So
Yeah, I see it. That's something special, bro. Let's make powerful money out of thin air. I
hey,
love
man.
it.
Welcome to the U.S. dollar. Welcome to any form of currency. Okay, any form of contemporary currency, any fiat currency.
How do you spell that place?
What? Venezuela? What place? What are you talking about, bro?
You not seeing my screen?
Oh, I wasn't looking. It's on. It's on the stream. I don't know. Like, should I take it out?
Why? Take what out?
I don't know. I don't know what kind of stuff that you're gonna put there. Let me.
I'm not gonna play anything crazy, bro.
Oh. Oh, the Venezuela money? Yeah, Venezuela cash me.
Click that one, that first one, the
This
second
one?
one, I mean.
This one?
You're so.
Which one?
There we go.
This one?
Wow.
One. That's
Wow.
insane. Yeah.
Is that real?
Yeah. That's what happens when
Wow.
when government f's you over. Like they just print a shit ton
Bro,
of stuff.
look at this man right here.
Which one? I don't get it.
He's living large, bro. Dude, let me see that picture.
Which one?
Go up. Kid, I'm never giving you
Alright, I'll stop.
Is that real?
I wouldn't be surprised.
What? Is that real?
Kid, people are throwing. I don't know. You saw the video of people throwing it away.
Do you think this can ever recover? This currency can ever
No,
recover?
it's done. It's done. There's so much of it that it's worthless. It's
Wow.
just so much that it's worthless.
They really said, print.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Did these tests pass or what's up?
I think so. Let me go on the thing to see the build.
Nah, it's not done. You know, there was some company that was mining mad Bitcoin. I forgot where they were located. I watched a YouTube video on it, and all they kept doing is reinvesting all their money into buying more things to mine Bitcoin. I forgot what the company was called. Yeah, this is what they use. And it was just cool to me. They said they made like $7 million a day off Bitcoin.
$7 million a day?
Yeah, worth of Bitcoin. $7 million worth of Bitcoin.
Oh, okay.
Or mined. It's a lot. Or some shit around that. I don't even know. Something around that. Very cool stuff.
Guess what?
Mm.
That ad is following you around now. The
Which
game,
one?
The game you love so much.
Which one?
The what's it called? The gambling one.
I didn't even see it. Where'd you see it?
I think it was on that page. The marathon buys, blah blah blah.
Marathon buys.
There it is. Oh, it's lottery. My fault. Bitcoin lottery.
Wow, they really are filth. They really do stalk you. Now we've been doing this. I just never even focused on. Never even paid attention. They really do pay attention to what you do.
Alright, is the build done?
Almost.
Why is your build taking mad long, bro?
Is yours done?
Yes, mine's done.
That's cap as hell. What is this?
What?
You know I wrote Google, right? Why did it show that? What is this? Why did it show that? That really confused me. You know I wrote Google, right? But if you see the stream, I wrote Google and I press enter. Why did I do that?
I wasn't paying attention. I don't think I was on your stream when last time.
That's weird. That was the weirdest shit ever. Let me try that again. Oh, that was weird as hell. Why is this taking mad long? 7 minutes. What the hell? You really did it this time, Pat.
You wanna know something crazy? Android is done. Android is done. It's the damn Apple, bro.
They always let the trash go first.
Apple taking mad.
Bro, Android be dropping updates every 3 years for their phones.
Android actually updates more than Apple.
What
you mean? It gets updated more often. They send updates more often than Apple. It's just that Apple's updates just make more news. Like, it gets more heat when it does happen.
No.
You put app. You see, Android's market share will reach 87%.
Because no one can afford it.
We all know you're a rich boy, bro. You don't gotta flex it on all of us, okay?
Get out of here.
This man's like, cause they can't afford it. That is the most pretentious thing I've heard you say. This man, bro, cause they can't afford it.
Look at this.
What? Couple of years of update, meaning that the Android phone that you have gets a couple of years of update. Android sends more updates more frequently. It's like every.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
He's just mad. Bro.
Yeah.
Android's ass.
Yeah.
Watch my interviewer fail me.
Kid, I swear to God.
Android?
I'm come in this stuff.
Alright.
Confirm squash and merge. Alright, it's merged. It's a master.
So this branch is done.
Yes, sir. It's deleted automatically. So.
Nice.
Very nice. How much? Now we need the next one in priority is the upload page.
What do you have in this one that I don't have?
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
See this?
Hello?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Can you hear me, bro?
Yes. What'd you say?
Nothing, bro. Never mind, it fixed itself. Alright, so we are good. Time for celebration.
We going to Vegas?
I'm going to Canada, bro.
As if they'd let you in. Canada's not messing with any American right now.
What'd you say?
Canada's not messing with any American right now. Especially you. About to bring all your diseases over there.
Kid, what now? What now?
Now it's the upload page.
Now we rest.
Kid. My head hurts, bro.
Again?
Yeah.
Kid, what have you been? It's all that grass you've been eating, bro.
Kid.
Why's your head hurt, dog? So all that music he listens to. Literally kills them. That thing those musics take dopamine away, not give it. Why'd your head hurt? Why'd your head hurt, Jimmy?
Because I gotta listen to you. That's why my head hurts. Huh?
I'm never caring for you.
What you mean, kid?
That was the most foul.
I'm just fucking with you. I think I fucked up my sleep schedule, so now it's like I can't get.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you stay up or something? You stay up more like me?
Kinda, yeah.
I love that. So you barely get any sleep is what I'm hearing.
Nah, I get sleep. It's just that I don't know. I got no energy. But,
remember when I told you I used to feel like that?
Mm-hmm.
I still do.
It's because we gotta get some caffeine, bro.
Yeah, that's what we need, bro. The caffeine exploded my head when I was drinking that trash. Never doing that stuff. Unless I really need it.
Kid, you really need it. If you had the caffeine, you would have been able to realize that function much earlier.
Yeah?
Yeah. You don't agree?
I do agree. It's just that. Let me just kill myself so I can get a little function done. A little extra fun.
Kid, if that's the case, then all Americans are killing themselves, bro.
Low key. You think they're not?
Kid, I would.
Let me run on artificial energy every single day.
Kid, Musk is running on artificial energy. Look at how much shit he's getting to do. So.
You think he's got the longest life? That man is putting in mad work. He's probably
Kid, you know he's over 50, right?
Yes.
So I think he's 50 or over 50, or maybe just.
He's over 50.
Yeah. So.
And.
Kid. He's 49. This man said over 50. He's 49. Kid, if I could achieve the shit he achieved, I wouldn't mind passing away at 50.
Low key, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Damn what Musk has done, bro. Kid, Musk can die in peace. He can literally die in peace. Nah, you know they tell everyone else rest in peace? Musk, they don't even need to say that to him. He's already going to be resting in peace from all the good shit he's done.
Nah, bro. You know, like when you start getting familiar with like the more you see something, the more familiar you get to it, and it just feels like it's nothing. That's probably how his rockets are right now. He just sees that.
Yeah, I know. It's regular time. He's probably lost the dopamine. But yeah, what are we doing for tonight? Is that enough?
I think we're since you're talking about taking a break. I see that you feel.
Wow.
I'm just messing.
This man's head hurts. And we finished
the
big thing.
My head hurts since
we finished the PR. Talking about no breaks. Listen, if you want to continue, I'll continue. I'll just go chug coffee and just kill myself for you. So you can have 3 more hours of session. And then don't sleep till 7 a.m.
Alright, kid, I'm gonna go read for a bit then.
You're gonna go read or you're gonna go look at crypto? That's the real question.
You know, I've been getting into a very, very bad habit of checking it, bro. Like,
me too. I'm checking it and I don't have it. That's the issue with me. I'm in a worse situation than you.
Oh, that means that
you gave me the drug. You put the drug in my head. How is this invisible money working? I'm watching videos at night at 4 a.m. about crypto mining.
What have you learned so far?
I've learned cool things.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I can't tell you off the top of my head. I just learned it.
So you trust it?
Kind of. It's like, how can you know when so many people do? And then stop following the crowd because you're a tool.
Yeah, but you know that's how Ponzi schemes work, right? It's like,
but it's like they're winning. Everybody's kind of winning. Of course, there's losers, but some people are winning right now. Hefty.
Some people, but
a lot of people are winning. You can't even lie. That shit went from 10,000 to 19,000, and they probably even sold, and they won. What now? Even if they didn't keep it, they technically won.
All right, we'll see in a year how much that shit's worth.
Yeah, we're gonna see. I need to hop in sometime. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make my deposit. Well, tomorrow my deposit's gonna go in.
How do you know?
Or some shit like that.
Oh, the verification,
yeah. They asked me to do it through account numbers instead of my actual like TD bank account.
Yo, have you gotten the deposits yet?
What do you mean? No, I don't have access to the money. Is that what you're asking or what?
Have you gotten the deposits yet? Meaning that they send small.
The micro ones?
Yeah.
No, they said tomorrow.
Okay.
Micro deposits? Yeah, I haven't got that yet.
Alright. And then you're gonna lose it all? And,
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, bro. That's what I'm gonna do.
Kid.
Just because I don't want to play $4, this guy can't let me live in peace. I can play $1 if I want. Make it into $3.
Good. You're gonna
watch one day I'll win big.
And then you'll play again and lose it all. That's the deadly thing. Once you think you could win, you'll play bigger.
I have enough control to lose all of it.
I want to see this kid. He's gonna be like, "Yo, Pat, you didn't believe in me. Now watch this."
Yo, that's so one. Kid, if I ever play that goofy game, I'm gonna have you watch, and I'm gonna have you laugh during the whole thing.
What's that gonna change?
Nothing. It's just I'm gonna feel better for losing $4.
Okay.
Alright.
That helps you sleep at night.
And then when I win, I'm not giving you a dime. Nah, you crazy kid?
You're not giving me a dime. You're giving me like 10K, right? Minimum?
20K.
A whole Bitcoin.
Yo, I'm gonna play with my whole savings in one game.
Some shit you would do for real, bro.
That's a crazy game.
But yeah. You good for now?
Yeah. What you gonna do? You really gonna sleep or you gonna go?
No, I'm gonna go read. Like I
go read about what? Go?
I don't know yet. I don't know if it's.
You're really gonna read about Go right now? Makes me feel like I'm not doing shit.
I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna read about Go because I'm tired.
Burnt out.
Huh?
Burnt out from all that shit.
Yeah. So I'm probably just gonna read a book on some other shit. Whatever I find. But yeah, how about you?
What do you think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go on YouTube. I'm gonna go on YouTube. If the guys want to play later at night, I'm probably gonna hit a game with them. You know, my regular life. This is the only time I get some regular life.
Right,
what you gonna do?
What you gonna do? Enjoy, kid.
You too, kid. You too. Get some damn sleep with these fucking constant headaches. This guy's fucking like. Start drinking some damn water. Do you drink water?
Do you?
Do you drink water?
Do you?
How many bottles I drink? Look at this shit.
Good for you.
Those
are
empty.
2 bottles, like it's a lot, bro.
Bro, I just threw 3 bottles away like 2 hours ago.
Good for you, Andy. High five. High five. High five. I'll talk to you soon, kid.
Alright, kid. Take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope crypto fucking crashes. Peace.
I hope it goes to 100K. Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna call it for tonight. It looks like we do a lot more Flutter and code review and code cleanup than any Go. Tomorrow for sure, we're gonna get some Go. And thank you for watching and peace out.